Welcome to the TT Scratch Adventure Red Envelope Part 2. So now we're going to make the fourth step. So we have to make different types of money. So we're going to make a new sprite called money and plus 500. Now I'm going to change the size. I have to put it at the side of the line. So now we're going to call it 500. So now you can make a 1,000. 1,000. I have to have the same size as the 500, so copy and paste. I'm going to change the size into 1,000. So we're going to change the color. So yeah. Now we can make different ones. So yeah. Now I've done 5. I cut the video, so yeah. And we have 100, 50, 1,000 and 500. So we have to check the name. Because if you accidentally change the name, then the money's gonna go rapidly up. Also now let's go to the envelope. We don't change money by 100, so we take that off. We're gonna change it by the name of the money sprite. So yeet this money out of the game, and yep. Now we're gonna make a clone. So we create a clone of the money. So every time you make a money, it's gonna choose a random one. So yeah, we can clone it. Just show, hide. So when it starts, we have to hide, show. We have to go to the tiger, right, and move and then you have to change the X by something. So always go to the side of the tiger. Change X by 15 will work the best. $50 or 50? Yeah, it's 50, sorry. So now, let's change the money. So all we have to do, we also have to wait 1 second, so yeah. Also, going to looks. We have to do the costume name. That's how we change the money, so we change money by costume name. So yeah. So if the money's 500, then it adds $500. So yeah. Also, you can add a sound or a different type of. It doesn't really matter. Also, we have to choose a random costume. So it's next costume, and then there's a repeat, and we repeat random number. Random 1 to 5 because it might choose 1 to 4, 5. So that's how it works. That's how it works. 500. Yep, so it is different. It changed from 500,000 and 1,001. So we can get rid of the shitty backgrounds and change it into start. So we're gonna make game over and stuff later. So now, let's go into envelope. And when it helps -1, then there should be a. We have to copy it. The -1. So copy and paste. And we're gonna type in the middle left -1. We're gonna turn it into the white and make it bigger, and I'm gonna turn it into pixel because it looks like a video game. This is left -1. So now let's go into envelope. So -1, we have to switch back jump to like -1. So yeah, when it stops, we have to switch to one called game over, which we haven't made, so we're gonna make one now. Call it game over, and yep, we're gonna change it, copy, and paste. Sorry, I didn't really copy, paste. And now change this to game over. You also change it to a different color, but I'll just like white. Fits well with the background. So now let's go back into code, go to the envelope. We have to switch it to game over as we said before. So yeah. Now when it starts, we have to change it back into the first backdrop. Start, switch background to start. Now let's see. 100. Money's different. And if you don't get it, then the life bonus is 1. After you lost 5 hearts and you lose. So yep. So what's this? But what happens if how do you win this game? So this is the main game, but we have one more thing to do. If we win the game, so we get $5,000. So repeat until money equals 5,000. But sorry, it's a slight mistake. It's 4,099. Then it has to be 501 to get the thing. So now, if the money equals, it has to be before the delete clone. If money equals more than 500, 5,000 or 4,999. If money equals to, then we have to show another sprite. So we're gonna broadcast that message. But first, let's make the other sprite. So I want to draw the sprite, but hold up. I want it to be a heart sprite. I want it to be the heart background, but how do I do that? So simply, you go into backdrops, find the hearts, but it's not a backdrop. Copy it. And then paste. Sorry, I pasted the other one. Just copy it again. And delete this thing. Paste. Now it works. So now I have to drag it into the middle. So we're gonna write in the middle. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, you got $5,000. So technically you're rich. Here's text. Happy New Year, you got $5,000. Just type it in. $5,000. Okay, so this means that you've won. So we can change it bigger. And go back into the selection. And select it. Then, if you just store it in that text, then you can't do this. But now you can. I'll change it to red and blue. this cool faint color that switches. So now when clicked, I have to go to 00 because it's in that middle. I think go forever. Change color effect, but this is too fast, so we have to wait 1 second. 0.2. That means it only runs 5 times. If you don't have the 0.2 seconds, it's gonna run it'll run like really fast. What I mean really fast, it means 30 times a second. Or you can just make it smoother by changing the color effect by 2 or something. So yep. So it only happens when you broadcast a message. So we still go to 00 when the start, but we hide and then show. But when we receive the message called big present, it works. So we have to receive the thing called big present. It's in events. Receive new message called big present. And then we go back to the envelope. And then if it's over 5,000, then we broadcast the message. So yeah. This is the thing. Now let's see how it works. Press the go back. If you catch the red envelope, you get something. If you miss it 3 times, it goes down. Also, if you get 5,000, then you win. And once you get it, there's a big present. So thank you for listening, and don't forget to thumbs up. Bye.